Good afternoon, everybody. This is Chris.
And Joe.
From Chris and Jones Travels. Hey, we're in Las Vegas at the Wyndham Grand Desert. We're in Building 3, room 1390, and we got upgraded to a 2-bedroom deluxe. So Jones is going to take you through it. Here we go.
All right, 1390. Good size room. So first off, you can walk in. We'll take a look at the kitchen first. Good size kitchen. And if you knew, you know, but I'll go through everything. Everything that you need is here. We got a Scrub Mommy. We look for the Scrub Mommy. Where has Scrub Mommy gone? That's where our new thing is going to be. Where to take the Scrub Mommy. Alright, it has everything you need. The dishwasher, the stove, the oven, the microwave, the refrigerator. And then here's the coffee pot with the grounds. And of course we have our salt and pepper. And we have millions of these at home. We take them home with us. And they sit on our shelf. The little mini pepper salt and pepper. Well, everything is what you need. All the glasses and servingware, tableware is there. Everything you need. Dishes to make, you know, because you're here so you can cook your own dinners and all that stuff. Paper towels. They got pots and pans, a garbage can. All the utensils you need. And those are the pots. Utensils. And I'm assuming the blender would be up there. Let's see if the blender's up there. The blender to make our margaritas. And then here's the dining room area. Good size area. Living room area. Right outside the kitchen. With an island there to sit. And here is the closet. And they provide you with extra bedding. They provide you with an ironing board, dustpan room. This is our stuff that we brought, our coolers and things. Because we drove, so we packed everything. So if you notice, we packed all of our alcohol and everything and all of our food. So we come prepared. Decent sized TV. With, you know, shelvings, storage here. We'll go into the master bedroom. So here's a nice view of the master bedroom. And they did tell us that we had a view of the other side. I think they thought we were on the other, which we would have had a view of the Sphere, but no, that's okay. View of the airport and the MGM and all the other ones, so that's fine. We're good with it. Okay, nice sized closet with a safe, and that would fit. That should fit a laptop in there. It should fit a laptop in there. There's 2 shelves. Can't really see, but there's 2 shelves. Good size, so that'll fit a laptop and other things. And over here on the end tables, good size end tables for storage. And what I always check for is ports. Yes. So, and then they have the alarm clock. Some good sized drawers here. Yeah, we always like to make sure that there's an electric port near the beds. You need that. And the same with this side, has the same thing. The port, the electrical port right there, outlet and thing. And then always with the Wyndhams, which makes it weird, but that's their style, is through the bathroom. There's no actual door to close. It's an open window and it's open, so, but that's the way they do it. Once you come inside here, there's a jacuzzi hot tub, or whirlpool, excuse me, jacuzzi whirlpool. And good sized shower. These showers are always nice. It's really big. And they do provide you with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So, and it's fine. I always say the shampoo's not always that great. Bring your own. Conditioner, yeah, it's alright. But yeah, if you have to, it's always there. Then the good size sink. Hello. And they do provide you with liquid hand soap and body lotion. Good size, you know, lots of drawers for your storage of your stuff. And they do provide you with a hair dryer. Everyone wants to know, how is a hair dryer? It is a good size hair dryer. And it is powerful. I think it's powerful enough. I really do. Works for me. And then in here is a separate toilet with a door, so that's always good. That part has a door, I guess that's good. And washer dryer, top loader, bottom loader. We like that. Like we said in all of our videos, we've been to places where it's been a cycle of both. They do not work. They tend to get jammed. They tend to stop. So we don't particularly care for that. So we do like that. And they provide you with the laundry soap if you need it. And then here's the second bathroom. And then that one's a bathtub. With the same as the soap, shampoo and conditioner, body wash. And same thing here. And it will have its own, there's a hair dryer here too. So that's good. So yeah, good size bathroom. You know, it works. And then this is the second bedroom. Really good size, so that fits 2 people here. It's probably a double, a little bit bigger than a twin, but very, very good size. And then the dresser end tables, same thing. There's a good plug, an outlet there. We need that, and a good size closet, good size dresser. So yeah, you can definitely fit a lot in here. These dressers. So good storage for that. And the same for here, good size closet, and they do have provided you some hangers. And this is a nice setup. I believe I picked everything. So yeah, so this is our weekend here in Vegas. Labor Day weekend. We're just here till Monday. We leave Monday morning. We got here Friday. It only took us 5 hours to drive. We come here every year, so we like it, and we do like it here at the Grand Desert. So yeah, we like it here. Because of our VIP status, we were upgraded to a two-bedroom deluxe, so we'll take it. And they have complimentary, they have all kinds of stuff, and tomorrow there's mimosas and all that stuff, And then we are on Tower 3, so we choose this tower because this one has the pool, the 24-hour pool. So the pool is open 24 hours. It's just a basic pool and a hot tub. So yeah, so we like that one. We like it for that reason, because we just go downstairs and we can go to the pool anytime. And Chris does in the middle of the night. He gets hot, he likes to go for just a quick swim. And also the gym is in this building, so he likes that also. So, and it's just not that, it's just a little bit of a walk from the main tower. And the other tower has the main pool, so it has a main pool, and then we'll do a tour of that later for you. But that one has the main pool, and then there's little steps and a little gate, and then there on top there's an adult pool with a bar. So that's on the other building. But for now, it's all right. Hope you like this tour. Let us know what you think. Let us know how you like our videos. We'd appreciate your thumbs up. Give us a like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below. Give us some comments. We'd appreciate it. All right. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.